Ian, thanks for the invitation here to Millturn today.
You're welcome.
We come here quite frequently. In fact, Gio's been here quite a lot recently because you've made a lot of purchases, one of which is the Microlight system that you've got on the table here. You've seen quite a few of the things you've invested in on MTD, haven't you? Could you maybe tell our audience that it's not just us saying that people watch what we do, you genuinely do, and you make these investments as a result?
We do. 3 investments actually through MTD. So we've got the Microlight system, we've got the cog steel burnishing tool, and also a DMG CTX on its way right now. So
okay, and that's coming in here in January, isn't it? That's some machine.
no, it actually comes here next week.
It comes here next week, does it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that is a twin spindle, one-hit machining machine tool.
Twin spindle, 5-axis mill.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a full-on mill turn machine.
So a big investment there. Let's just pick on let's pick on the cog steel burnishing tool. What does that do to you? Because often we've looked at the burnishing side for cog steel, but it'd be good to hear it from you to explain to users what the solution provides.
This particular job that we're working on right now, it requires a high finish. It's mirror polished after we supply it to the client. What we're doing is we're levelling off the face to avoid linishing, so all they literally do when they pick it up now is just buff it up, polish it, and it's mirror polished ready. Time saving and cost saving for the client.
Quite huge.
Massive.
And for you here on the machine, how does it interface? Is it just put into the tool carousel and then you just call it in as part of the program? And
yeah, once you've got the balance right, and thank you Dave, by the way, from Cogsteel, he came and spent some time with us to prove it and set it and get the balance right and the speed to feed. Absolutely fantastic.
Where does it fit in industry? Who would generally purchase one of these? You've obviously mentioned your application.
I think anybody looking for superior finish, anybody looking for fantastic surface finish, it's ideal for them.
So if you had an older machine that couldn't produce those finishes, could you incorporate one of these tools in order to
I
up
dare
the
say
game?
it would work. I dare say it would help. You know, I'm not sure. You'd have to talk to Cogsteel, but from my point of view, I know I could use this on any machine in here, from 19-year-old to 1-year-old, and it would do the same job.
Excellent. Then the Microlight, this just gives you the ability here to hold multiple components on this grid plate. This has been quite a game changer for you as well, hasn't it?
Oh, massive, massive. We're actually already talking about putting them on more of our machinery further down the line.
It's a bit of a myth that people say this is just for batch runs as well, though, isn't it?
Oh,
it's the
100%.
flexibility that you've really
well,
bought
we
into.
can put 5-10 different jobs on there with 10 different datum shifts and machine all 10 of them differently, independently.
Okay.
So,
and then finally, that DMG Mori, that's going to come here. We're going to come and see it in January. You needed a machine that was going to basically mean you could finish components or a part that was being done in 6 ops in 1.
yes. I can't hide I'm so excited for that to turn up, if I'm totally honest.
Yeah.
Been waiting a long time due to COVID, this, that and the other, but yeah, finally arrives on the 9th of December.
Good stuff. 3 purchases. Fair to say we've had quite an influence on your decisions then?
It's fair to say you've cost me a lot of money, yes.
Maybe that's a better way to put it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Ian.
You're welcome.